And today's video is a special one because we've got a customer in this video. She's not going to be shown, but she can ask me some questions because she wants to know how does this system work. So I thought I'd make like a video and explain it to this customer, and other customers can see as well. So you get two for the price of one. Alright, so what we've got here right in front of this big white vessel, this is your hot water cylinder, and it's an unvented cylinder. And what it does, you get your hot water direct from this through these 2 points here, that one there, and this bottom one here. And inside there you got immersion heaters which directly heat this unvented cylinder. So as I said, you get your hot water direct from here. It's got its own source. It's controlled by these switches here, which it actually says it top, boost, and the bottom one. Some switches turn on these two heating elements which I just pointed out to you. So have you got any questions on that?
So where is the system that heats up the water tank?
Well, this is it. This is it, as I just said to you. This is inside here. You've got stored hot water.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here, behind there, and the one at the bottom, you got an heating element.
Oh right. Okay.
So it's like a kettle.
Okay.
So that gets hot.
Yeah.
And then heats up the water inside there.
Okay.
And then your hot water comes at the top.
Yeah.
And that goes to your taps.
Right. Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
So that's basically it. So that's going to be the end of the video. So if you like it, you can subscribe to our channel, give us a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you, and you can share it with any of your family and friends as well.